In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your permanently deleted TikTok account. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you have deleted your TikTok account permanently and now you want to recover that permanently deleted TikTok account, then what you have to do is to open the application. As you can see that I do not have any ID logged in on my TikTok at the moment. So what you have to do is to click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and click on report a problem. Click on account and profile. Click on login. Scroll down to the bottom and click on this other option. Click on need more help. Now in this box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. I would suggest that you just copy paste whatever I am writing here. I'll also put this paragraph in the description below so you guys can just copy paste it from there. At the end of the paragraph, don't forget to mention your phone number, email address and your TikTok account username. Once you have stated down your issue, all you have to do is to click on the submit option. And once you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, your deleted TikTok account will be recovered permanently. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.